egg. The most perfect egg ever. If you guys want to know how to make the perfect soft / medium boiled egg that is so delicious, just keep watching. First, you need a pot of water, and you need the water. You need the water to come to a rapid boil, and then you're going to lower it a little bit. And now gently, you lower your egg into the water, or eggs. I am going to put 4 eggs in this baby. Once they are in, put the flame a little bit higher. We're going to boil this for 7 minutes, not a minute longer. Echo, set timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
I'll be back in 7 minutes. Flame should look like this. Nice, gentle boil. 7 minutes. You know what time that is. Echo, stop. You're going to take your eggs, bring them over to the sink, and you right away, you have to put cold water on it, give them a nice cold bath, empty some of the hot water. Do that. This is very important to the process. Do that so they don't fall in the sink. Bath is used to stop the cooking process. So you can keep them in here for 3 minutes if you're really hungry, or you can just let it sit there for an hour, whatever. It just stops the cooking process. I'm going to show you how to peel an egg with a spoon. Yes, you heard right. Take your boiled egg, hard boiled, soft boiled, medium boiled. Hit it on the bottom just like this. You're going to peel a little bit off. Take the spoon, get in there. Watch how easy this is, you guys. Right? Okay. Put the spoon all the way in there. I hope you can see. I hope it's not too glary. And you're just going to go around. Look how easy this is. Go around the egg just like so. Look at that, you guys. Oh! And there you have it. Your egg is nice and peeled. It's perfect. Can you see that? Moment of truth. Now to test out and see if this is a soft boiled egg. You ready, you guys? I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. The egg might fly all over. Okay, hopefully you can feel how soft it is. You ready, you guys? Comes out perfect each and every time. Look how delicious that is. It's like a soft to medium boiled egg, but every time comes out like this. You can put these eggs in the refrigerator and the next day it will still be just like this. Put a little salt, pepper on it, everything bagel seasoning, and it is perfect each and every time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more egg videos, let me know. I'm gonna eat this now. Delish. Look at that, you guys. Look. Goodness. So delicious.